Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove Gamma watermark. So first things first, open your preferred web browser and go to gamma.com. Now when you create a presentation in Gamma, a made with Gamma badge appears when you export the file. To check this, open your presentation and then click on three dots in the top right corner and then choose export, and you will see a message saying that removing the watermark requires upgrading to Gamma Plus. Now, in order to remove the watermark, you need a Gamma Plus subscription, which costs $8 per month if billed yearly and $10 per month if billed monthly. And without this upgrade, the watermark will remain when exporting to PowerPoint or PDF. Now, if you do not want to upgrade, there is a workaround. Instead of exporting, you can present the slides directly within Gamma by clicking on Present button at the top. And when presenting in Gamma, the watermark does not appear. This way, you can deliver your presentation without any branding, without needing to pay for Gamma Plus. But if you want to export the presentation as a PowerPoint or PDF, you must upgrade to Gamma Plus to remove the watermark. Otherwise, the Made with Gamma badge will remain visible in exported files. And that's it.